It's a tradition in South India to make a mixed stir fry with 10 different kinds of leaves, edible leaves. We collected the Tindora leaves already. We can collect some long beans leaves also. This is a different variety of beans. Red amaranth. We can get one grapevine leaf also. Basil leaves. Indian borage. We got 10 different kinds of leaves, beans, basil, grapevine leaf, curry leaf, tintora, winter melon, red amaranth, bitter melon, and lavender. Oh, I forgot about the Indian borage or Mexican oregano. Actually, we got 12 different varieties of leaves from our garden: tintora, grapevine, basil, chives, curry leaves, lavender, beetroot, bitter melon leaves, winter melon leaves, Indian borage, beans, and red amaranth. Let's chop them all. This stir fry is incredibly healthy and nutritious because it combines the benefits of 10 different edible leaves, each bringing its own unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. With all their nutrients combined, it's a powerhouse of natural goodness in one dish.